name is Thereasa Black. I decided to start a gelato company while I was deployed in Africa. And I did a lot of research while I was there. I had a whole year, so I had some time on my hands. I did a lot of research, and I actually found equipment and concepts after doing all that research, and decided they were the best company to come with. When I came out here, I came all the way across the country, so you know that it was a good decision at least I believe it was a good decision, and I'm very happy with the choice that I made. I learned so much about gelato this weekend and sorbets, and got a lot of advice about how to fix my product. And I had to make some changes because when you're doing something on mass scale, like, it works when it's small, but once you start to try to increase it, scale it up, you have to make some changes. And so I learned that here. I got to practice on their machine so I can make sure that I can do it right when I get home. I got a machine here, which is what I was planning on doing the whole time. This is also the reason that I picked them, because I looked for a machine, I found what I wanted, and I found the people who could train me on it. So I'm very happy with my decision, and I would always come back. I recommend them 100%, 110%, let's just say that. So
Thank you so much, Thereasa. And you said you were deployed.
I was.
So what branch do you serve in?
Oh, I'm in the Navy. I'm a naval officer. I've been in the Navy for about 9 years now. I did 4.5 years active duty. Now I'm in the reserves. I also obviously went to law school, so I'm also a licensed attorney.
Wow.
And now I'm turning to gelato. So
Thank you for your service, and we couldn't love you more. Thanks, Thereasa.
Yep.